Hello guys. So today I'll be teaching about how to set up a new meeting links so that you can in Zoom app basically so that you can send to anyone an invitation for meeting. Okay. So first of all you have after you have done the installation in Zoom application in your laptop or in your mobile, then what you need to do, you have to log in through it. You'll create an account and you can log in. After login, this video is especially for creating a schedule, okay, for meeting. Okay, fine. So what you need to do, you need to go to start if you are on the PC. Then you need to search Zoom over here. Here is the start Zoom. So I'm starting it. Now what happened? You'll be getting something like this, okay, as your uh, default screen. Fine enough. So now uh, I want to what I need to create a link for a meeting of some time so that I can that link if I give it to someone else, so while just clicking on that particular link at that particular time, they can come on my meeting itself. So what I need to do, I need to schedule it up. I'll go to schedule. You can change the name. For example, if I want to have meeting of a Python programming language, so I'll name it at Pythons, okay, meeting. You can give your name as per your, this is the time, what days you want to have. So today only I want to have around 12, so 10 I'll select it. This is the time, at what time, so 12 p.m. I want to have a meeting. Okay, what will be the duration of it? Max, I think so we can go 145. Okay, fine. They are even giving for 1 hours 45 for free. Okay. Okay, fine enough. So 1 hours 45 minutes this schedule meeting will be, and recurring meeting means what happen every day, same links what will be there, and every day this time at this particular time they can join it with same particular link. You need not have to create again and again daily basis. You just keep, if you give recurring, then it will happen again and this invitation repeat. Remember to check the recurrence or repeat in your calendar invitation. Fine. So I'm not doing it for many time. I'm doing for just one for today itself. There is a time zone. You can change it if you are somewhere else. So for India, it's a India is good enough. Okay. Now this is the personal meeting ID I need to give. I don't want to have a general one and random number. I want some fixed one. This is the password I'm giving. If you want to set up some password so that the other participants when they are logging in, this password should be asked to them and they have to enter this particular password you are giving. Okay. Host video should be on and off. I'm doing off means I am hosting, since I am creating my links for meetings, so I am the host person. Okay, their video should be off by default. Okay, participants video should be also off by default when they are joined. So you can link this Zoom with your Outlook Microsoft email ID as well as with your calendar, Google Calendar. In advanced options you need to go, it's your participant to whom you have sent the links for joining the meeting. If they are or they came before you, okay, you might came little late, okay, then what happened? Even then also they are able to be in the waiting room. Okay, they can log in to this particular meeting before you, but they won't be hosting. They will be just in the waiting room. So you need to give an access. Okay, you have to give the host has to give the access to join them or not. Okay, enable join before host. Okay, I can join it before host. Okay, no, the participants can join before the host. If I am the host and I am making little delay to join the meeting, they can log into the invitation link which I have sent it. Okay, right, fine. Now what I need to do is that I can mute participants on entry. This also I can do. So all the participants will be muted by default. Automatically record meetings on the local computer. The moment my meeting is start, at that moment only this particular recording also get activated. I need not have to press on the record button. Fine. So I am just scheduling it for today. This will take, and this particular link is there. this I need to copy, and this only I need to send into their WhatsApp or their Gmail ID or email I need to do. So this is the one. This you just need to copy and paste as a message, as a normal message. This is the URL. They will be clicking on it when they are willing to join, and the moment they will join it up, they will be asked, they will be getting a password. Okay, so to give more security, kind of no one else can enter into my meeting, I have set the password. Okay, so this is the only one. This is the thing. These are the text which you need to send to your invitations participants. They will just click on this particular web link. Okay, web link at from their mobile also they can do, as well as from their system also they can do it, and automatically they will be asked the password to enter. They will enter the password, and they can be in the meeting. Okay, so thank you guys, everyone.